Ready for dictation? Start. In the conduct of official business, clarity, precision, and adherence to established rules are of utmost importance. Full stop. Government departments are required to follow prescribed procedures. However, deviations are frequently noticed due to negligence or lack of proper training. Full stop. When a file is processed, every noting must be concise yet comprehensive, ensuring that the decision making authority is fully informed. Full stop. It has been observed that ambiguous language, incorrect punctuation, and inconsistent capitalization often lead to misinterpretation, which may result in administrative complications or even legal disputes. First of, from a legal perspective, every order issued by a competent authority must be reasoned and supported by relevant provisions of law. Full stop. If an order fails to disclose the rationale behind it, the aggrieved party has the right to challenge it, it before an appropriate forum. Full stop. Courts have consistently held that justice must not only be done but must also appear to be done. Full stop. Therefore, the drafting of notices, replies, and official correspondence requires careful attention. Full stop. A misplaced comma, an omitted word, or an incorrect tense can significantly alter the intended meaning, thereby affecting the outcome of a case. Full stop. Editorial sections of reputed journals often highlight instances where administrative lapses have caused unnecessary hardship to citizens. Full stop. For example, if a notification is issued without clearly specifying its effective date, confusion may arise regarding its implementation. Full stop. Similarly, the improper use of capital letters in official documents, such as writing government instead of government when referring to a specific entity, may be considered incorrect in formal drafting. Full stop. Hence, candidates preparing for stenography examinations must develop a habit of reading critically and writing accurately. Full stop. Let us consider a simple sentence. The officer said the employee was absent versus the officer said the employee was absent. Full stop. The change in comma placement entirely alters the meaning of the sentence. Full stop. Such examples demonstrate why punctuation is not merely a technical requirement but a fundamental aspect of communication. Full stop. In addition, aspirants should practice dictation regularly, focusing on speed as well as accuracy. Full stop. They should also revise commonly confused words such as affect and effect, principle and principle, and ensure that they understand their correct usage in context. Full stop. Administrative efficiency depends not only on policies but also on the competence of individuals who implement them, full stop. A well-trained stenographer plays a crucial role in maintaining records, drafting correspondence, and assisting senior अधिकारियों in their day-to-day work, full stop. If the stenographer lack proficiency, errors are likely to occur which may have serious consequences, full stop. Therefore, consistent practice combined with a strong foundation in grammar, vocabulary, and comprehension is essential for success, full stop. Ultimately, the objective of preparation is not merely to pass the examination but to acquire the skills necessary for effective functioning in a professional environment. Full stop. Candidates who approach their studies with dedication, discipline, and attention to detail will be better equipped to handle complex tasks. Full stop. By focusing on accuracy, maintaining proper punctuation, and applying correct capitalization, they can ensure that their work meets the required standards, thereby enhancing their prospectus of selection and contributing meaningfully to the administrative system in a reasonable and efficient manner, ensuring clarity, transparency, and accountability in all official communications across various departments and offices consistently without error or ambiguity at any stage of functioning, full stop.